how to create PPT using Gemini. So if you want to create PPT using Gemini, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Gemini. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, go with your browser and then search for gemini.google.com. Once you've searched, you will get this kind of interface. It will take you to the official website. After the site loads, click the new chat button in the top left corner. Once you're on your new chat, you need to select the tools option and then go with Canvas. After selecting Canvas, it will begin the creation process. Next, you need to enter a prompt. Like for example, you need to just simply enter create a PowerPoint presentation for me on a political topic. After entering the prompt, click the sideways arrow which will be on the right side and it will start creating. Just wait for a few seconds to complete the process. While the system generates the presentation, once everything is finished, you need to click on download to save the results. As you can see that it's creating slides and it will be ready in a few minutes. After that, you can go with downloads, which will be on the top right, or you can also export the slide. That's how you can create a PPT using Gemini. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.